Hello, welcome back to Made Simple. Today we're going to be talking about the text to columns feature within Excel. But before we begin, like always, please subscribe, smash that like button. I would greatly appreciate that. Please and thank you. And the text to columns feature can be super useful. And basically what it does, it allows you to take one column and divide it into separate columns. Now that may sound a little confusing, but let's show you what I mean by that. So basically right here we have a list of names, the state, let's say where they're living from, and their age, right? All in one cell. And what we want to do is we want to divide those into three different columns. So we want names here, we want the state where they live, and the age here. And instead of going through there, copy and pasting in each column, what you can do is just, first what you need to do is select the data set or select the column. In this case, it'll be column B. Then you go to Data, and you click the Text to Columns feature, and it's going to pop up with delimited or fixed width. Right now we're going to go over delimited, and then on sheet 2 here I have an example for fixed width. But delimited will separate the data based on things like commas or semicolons or periods, and a fixed width you manually choose where you want to divide it. So we'll hit Next. And we'll want to select this commas because everything's divided by a comma. So basically what that's going to do is it's kind of showing us with these lines here, it's getting rid of the commas and it's dividing the data like so. So then we can go ahead and hit Next, and this will be fine. This is kind of how we want to format it. It's fine how it is. We'll just go ahead and hit Finish, and then you'll see it will delete the data that was previously here by separating everything into different columns. Now we'll go on to sheet 2, and here we just have a bunch of random numbers that we want to get separated. Now it might seem random, but this is actually a date. Let's just say a birth date. So the 5th month, so May 14th, 1997. Or sorry, 1970. And so we want to divide those into month, day, and year. So we'll go ahead and select the column, text to columns, but this time we can't do delimited because it's just one set. It's not separated by anything. So we'll do a fixed width, hit Next, and then we can manually move. So if I click there, it's going to set the column to divide there, and then I'll choose here. So then we'll have the 5th, 14th, or the May 14th, 1970, or January 20th, 1977. Go ahead and hit Next, and everything looks good here. We don't really care much about the formatting in this instance, so we'll just go ahead and hit Finish. And you'll see that all of this data will then be divided, and that's pretty much all there is to it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, subscribe, smash that like button. But that is how you use the text to columns feature within Excel. It's pretty simple. Once you do it once or twice, you pretty much get the hang of it and it's locked in your memory forever. Thanks for watching.